Hey everyone, want to ditch cable and start watching live TV on your Roku? Here's how to download, set up and watch YouTube TV on any Roku device in just a few minutes. To get started, first press the home button on your Roku remote to bring up the main screen. Scroll and select streaming channels. This opens the Roku channel store. Use the search bar to type in YouTube TV. Select the YouTube TV channel and hit Add Channels to download it. YouTube TV is a separate app from regular YouTube. If you just want to rent movies or watch YouTube videos, use the regular YouTube app. For live TV and DVD, make sure you are installing YouTube TV. Once it finishes downloading, go to Channel or press the home button again and find YouTube TV in your channel list. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a subscription yet, you can sign up directly from the app or start with a free trial if available. After logging in, YouTube TV will remember your info, so you won't need to sign in again every time you launch it. If you want to quicker access on YouTube TV, on the Roku home screen, highlight the YouTube TV app. Press the start button on your remote, select Move Channel and drag it wherever you want to home screen. This makes it easier to jump straight into your favorite live channels or recordings. And that's it. You are now set up to stream live sports, news, movies and your favorite shows all without cable. Right from your Roku using YouTube TV. Need help recording shows or customizing your channel guide? Check out our other YouTube TV tutorials linked below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped.